This is not like Marks and Spencer. This is not just a Cap Kids and shopping bag.
This is an attractive hat. Oops. With earlobes.
This is not just a... Sorry. This attractive hat. This is not just a canvas that my sister painted. This is a t-shirt. You may think this is just a flower for your hair. You could clip or band it. It's not just that. It's a bracelet. You may think I'm just in the shower, fully clothed. But I'm not. In the shower, fully clothed. Oh, this attractive hat is not all it's cracked up to be.
You said something else.
You may think I can't.
Alex, you forgot this prop. Alex, you forgot to explain these two.
But you may think this is just a